Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. This is a new listing. I'll be listing. It's a 2021 MasterCraft X24. Got the navy metal flake on hull stripe 2 and hull stripe 4. Black hull bottom, black side, black deck. Cool fill interior black with navy blue as well. Absolute immaculate boat. This was used here on a local lake in South Carolina. It does have 296 hours, all freshwater use. Rear facing lounge, transom remote, underwater lights, Gen 2 surf. Not a scratch on this boat, never been beached, you can tell. It is flawless, exterior and interior. More. I got the 2 S80 tower speakers, clamp force board racks, bimini top with surf sleeve. It's got the bow filler cushion, the transom walk-through cushion, full cover, of course. Climb aboard, take a look. Center walk-through. Absolute beautiful boat. Got the camera, dual screen dash, upgraded audio, center flirt seat, heater. It's got the port side flip up, starboard flip up, bolster front seat, dual screen dash. 296.1 hours. Transom air dam, fold down armrest, your bow filler cushion there. Absolute beautiful boat. Boat is available here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. We do offer shipping, of course. Give me a call, T. Evans, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.